Hold his feet.
Fierce,
Hold his feet. Here we go.
Oh, he went in with his hat. Oh, it's getting real.
That's okay. He can go back and get the hat.
Oh! Oh, he's jiggling around. Try not to let that fish go. He's just in there. Oh, he wants out. He wants out. I wonder if he has the fish. Oh, wait. So, pull him out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he has it. Oh! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Your hat.